Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the Scooch Wingmount right here from Scooch. Scooch! If you guys haven't seen my previous video on this one, the Scooch Wingman, Scooch cases, the owner of Scooch, when he designed and made these cases, he designed them to be like an ecosystem, to have a whole family of other compatible accessories that'll work in conjunction with your case. So the Wingman case right here with this 5-way kickstand is designed to work with this accessory right here, the Scooch Wingmount, among others, and who knows how many more they'll probably make up in the near future. So let's take a look at the wing mount and what comes in the package, and then I'm gonna install this onto my car and see how it works. So your Scooch wing mount, you guys can see here on the front, tells you a little bit about the wing mount, so you can pause that and read it for yourself. Here on the other side is a QR code for instructions on how to install the wing mount. And here on the back of the box, or bottom of the box, it says what's in the box. You get a wing mount, 2 metal mounting stickers, 1 mount replacement sticker, and 1 wipe pack. So that's probably to wipe down the surface that you're going to be installing the wing mount on. So open this box up and see what we get in the box. It should be a quick video, right? One of my few, probably one of the quickest videos I can do on this channel, hopefully. And yeah, that's all you get right there. There's the wing mount. If I can pop it out. Okay. Right there is your 2 metal mounting stickers inside this package. There's 1. Yep, these are metal. And there's 2. And they should stick onto the wing mount right here on the base. But then you get the wipes. You get a dry wipe and a wet wipe to wipe down the surface that you're going to be mounting it on. And 1 mount replacement sticker right here, which is right there, 3M mount sticker. No installation instructions because they want you to scan the QR code to watch the installation instructions. So that's all you get. 2 metal mounting stickers, 1 blue, 1 black, it looks like. The wing mount and the wipes. That is pretty much it. And the magnet attaches to the back of your wingman case like so, as you guys can see, right? But so this is supposed to be installed in your vehicle, or maybe if you want it somewhere else, but normally it's for vehicles. So let's go to my car and try to install this. Okay guys, we are at the installation portion of the Scooch wing mount phone holder, universal phone holder. So I did scan the QR code and watch the video. So basically the things that you get in the box, these 2 metal discs, you stick them on the back of your case only if you don't have, where's my phone? If you don't have this, this is the wing back, I believe that's what they call it, the wing back kickstand. So if I ever break this, I can replace it for another one for like $14, which I think it's too expensive if you ask me. So yeah, I did watch the video, so I won't need the metal disc. All I need is these alcohol wipes to clean up the spot that I want to put the holder in. So my plan is to put it right over here, probably. Just right underneath this middle vent where this other phone holder is. I had an older car holder before, the Iati. I can't remember the name of the model, but I put it here and it kept falling off, and now I know why. Because on Scooch's video, they said you don't want to put it on like a leather-like texture or surface, which this is inside my Toyota. So you want to put it on something more solid like this. I was going to put it here where my old other holder was. You can see the sticker still there because I took it out and I plan to put it on here. But the thing is, if I put it on here, it's going to be too low and I'll be too distracted where my view is going to be slightly away from the window of the windshield, it might get me into an accident. So this part right here will probably be the best, as far as like, so I can still keep my eye on the road and still glance at the phone. And I'm recording right now with my LG V60 instead of my Sony ZV-1, because the Sony ZV-1 does not have good stabilization, and I can't put a tripod inside my car. And so, yeah, hence the LG V60. So let me know how the video and the sound looks. I'm recording off the internal mics of the phone and not no external mic. Okay, so the first wipe is the alcohol wet wipe, and I'm going to wipe it onto this part right here per the instructions on the video. And then I got the dry wipe here, so I'm going to dry wipe it. Okay, then I'm going to grab the wing mount. This thing is tight, man. It's hard to do it with one hand while I have the phone in the other hand. Okay, I had to pause the video for a little bit. So I removed the backing for the 3M tape right here. You don't want to touch this actually, unless you get that stickiness on there. So here's the I'm gonna put the Scooch logo upright, and I'm just gonna stick this onto here. Let's see. Hopefully. Oh, great. There you go. And that should be it. I'm gonna pause the video, wait a few seconds, maybe even a minute, and then we'll test it out. Okay, so we're back about probably a minute later, and so I got my S23 Ultra right here with the Scooch case, or the Scooch, what do they call it, wingback holster. So I'm just gonna pop it onto there, and there you go. It sticks, and yeah, it's not going anywhere. And the good thing with this is I can use it this way in portrait, or I can use it in landscape mode like so. And it's close enough to the windshield up there so I can keep my eyes on the road and then just watch or listen to YouTube videos. I don't really watch them when I'm driving. I mostly listen to them. And this is good because now it's actually low enough that it's not so much in the sun like this thing was, or this, and that's not that close to the vents, so it doesn't because when these clear cases get too much sun exposure, that's how they yellow out. And so that should be good right there. So all in all, it's pretty easy installation, not too hard at all. And for my other cases that don't have that wingback kickstand, this wingback kickstand right here, I could install these onto the back of the case with this 3M adhesive. But then again, if I do that, the only negative is, will I be able to charge my phone with that case on? See, that's the thing. Because we already know when you have this wingback kickstand, you have to remove it in order for you to charge your phone wirelessly. Otherwise, you can always charge it the regular way with the USB-C option, the USB-C cord. And that's what I had to do if I want to charge it onto here wirelessly and put it on this kickstand, because number one, it won't fit the see the button right here that triggers it to close right there, to pop open and close and lock. This thing is like just thick enough that the part where it would hit this button right here to trigger it to lock does not hit it because of the kickstand right there. So that's why I had to get this. It won't even fit onto this. If I need to use the holders, any of these holders, I have to remove this. But now that I have the Scooch right here, see, I don't have to worry about that. I'm good to go. So all in all, very easy installation and not bad as far as price-wise goes. This is the newer version. I think it's called the 2022 upgraded version. And so this upgraded version is supposed to have stronger magnets. And then the older version, like 2020, I want to say, 2019, has a slightly or a little bit weaker magnet, but it's still good. And that one is $10 less than this newer one. So this newer one, if you're interested, I'll put the links in the description. It costs you nothing extra, but you will help out my channel. It's $19.99. And then the older one is $9.99. And I'll put the links to both of those in the description. So that is it for this Scooch wing mount for your Scooch Wingman case. Like I said, see, this whole thing is an ecosystem. So that'll do it for this video. If you guys have found this video helpful and informative, please like and subscribe. If you haven't already, follow me on Instagram at The Workout Geek for all my latest happenings and great workout tips. Till next time, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and we will see you soon for another video. Have a wonderful day, everybody.